Do you own a metal building? What if I told you your building could look like this? Big improvement, right? Well, it can in just a few hours with GenStone.
That's right, GenStone installs right over your building's existing siding. Simply attach furring strips between the ribs like this, and then measure, cut with any saw, and attach to instantly gain more curb appeal, more R value, and maybe more equity with your better looking building.
Whether you run your business out of your building like this,
or use it for personal space, like this.
Your steel building doesn't have to look like a steel building. You can add the look of stone or brick for 50% less than masonry work and even do it yourself.
We have a whole team of design experts available to help you for free with things like color selection and how much GenStone you will need for your project. We can even show you what GenStone would look like on your building before you buy. Just send us a picture along with the width and length of your building for a free rendering and no obligation quote.
Then when it comes to install, we have easy to follow step-by-step guides and videos. Not to mention, your project coordinator here at our office is your single point of contact for everything through the completion of your GenStone project.
That means on-demand install guidance is just a phone call away.
So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us today. You'll be glad you called.